it's me Pat and welcome back again to another tutorial. For today's video, this is the 10th episode of our Java Taglish series for absolute beginners. Now in this chapter, we are going to talk about the logical or the Boolean operators. Now when we say the logical operators, ito lang yung mga operators na nagko-combine ng dalawa or higit pang conditions. Now kapag naiisip ko to or tinatakal ko to, naiisip ko lang dito is yung propositions na lesson or yung concept. Kasi medyo halos parehas kasi sila. Now, if hindi nyo na matandaan yung concept na yan or yung tutorial na yan, ilalagay ko na lang yung aking pagtuturo down in the description box or dito sa ating card sa taas. Now, yung mga logical operators na i-discuss natin would be as follows. This would be the logical AND, this would be the logical OR, and this would be the logical NOT. And mind you guys, kapag alam nyo yung propositions sa concept, medyo madali nyo na lang mag-gets tong lesson na to. Now, in order to demonstrate this lesson to you guys, gagamitin natin would be yung tatlong methods. The first one would be using the Boolean values. Second is bibigyan ko kayo ng condition. And the third one would be combining both the Boolean at yung conditions natin na examples. Okay? So, meron tayong instruction dito sa gilid at babasahin natin at susundin natin yan step by step. So, the first one is to declare and initialize B true and B false as Boolean with of different values, and the next step would be to evaluate using the different logical operators, which are this one. So, una daw natin gagawin is mag-declare and initialize tayo ng tinatawag natin na B true, which has the value of true, tapos yung isa naman would be yung B false, which has the value of false. So, ganun na yung step 1. Now, sa step 2 naman is evaluate daw natin tong dalawang to using these operators. So, what we're going to do is to evaluate it first using the logical AND. So, in order to do that, syempre, mag-system.out.println tayo. Tapos, lagay natin yung B true at logical AND na B false naman. Now, next thing is yung ating logical OR naman. So, ang gagawin lang natin is the same thing katulad na ginawa natin dito, but papalitan lang natin yung ating operator, gagawin lang natin siyang logical OR. Now, same lang dito. Sa next one, ang gagamitin naman natin would be yung ating logical NOT. So, this time, yung logical NOT natin na B true, and then next naman would be yung logical NOT natin para sa B false. Now, guys, mind you, na ang gagawin ko dito is iraran ko muna para mas mag-gets nyo yung concept at mas maintindihan nyo, okay? Dito muna tayo magsimula sa ating logical AND. Sa logical AND, ang kanyang sagot would be false, okay? So, paano nangyaring false ang sagot niya? Remember guys na ang B true natin ay may value na true at inilological AND mo siya sa B false which has the value of false, okay? Now, ang concept kasi ng logical AND is ganito yung ating shortcut, okay? Kapag AND ang pinag-uusapan, automatic false na value agad ang kukuhanin mo. So, ibig sabihin, kapag pinag-combine mo yan, automatic false ang kukuhanin mo, kaya false ang sagot mo. Kaya false ang nakalagay dito, okay? Now, let's move on naman sa ating logical OR. So, kung sa logical AND false ang kinukuha, kabaliktaran naman pagdating sa logical OR. Kapag OR ang kinukuha, automatic ang kukuhanin natin dyan would be true. So, again, itong true, ang B true natin may value na true, at ang B false natin ay may value na false. Kaya ang sagot natin dyan would be true. Okay? Now, for the logical NOT, dalawang system.out.println yan, so dalawang values din niya ang meron tayo. So, sinasabi lang niya na hindi value or kabaliktaran ng value ang kukuhanin mo. So, in this case, since B true ay may value na true at nilagyan mo siya ng logical NOT, ibig sabihin baliktarin may value ng true, that would be false. Kaya false dito. Likewise, guys, yung value ng false dito ay false kapag binaliktad mo yan dahil meron kang logical operator na logical NOT, automatic ang kanyang value would be true. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple intindihin yung ating logical operators. So, our next method is about the two conditions. So, meron tayong C1 or condition 1 which is 1 is equal to 12 at meron tayong condition 2 which is 10 is greater than or equal to 10. So, what we're going to do is to print that out. Tapos, itatry natin i-combine yung dalawang conditions na yan using these three different operators. So, for now, etong logical AND muna ang ating gagamitin. So, meron tayong condition 1 which is 1 is equal to 12. Tapos, i-combine natin yan using logical AND. Tapos, lalagay lang natin would be 10 greater than or equal to 10. So, ganyan yan, guys. So, ano kaya sa tingin nyo ang kanyang sagot? True ba or false? So, malalaman natin yan kapag niran natin. But for now, kailangan lang natin i-analyze yung concept na to. So, yung mga conditions na yan, ay aalamin natin yung kanilang value. So, what do I mean by that? So, yung 1 is equal to 12, true or false ba muna yan? So, automatic, syempre, that would be false kung napanood nyo na yung ating previous video about comparison operators. Okay? Dapat alam nyo yan para masagutan nyo to. Tapos, yung false na value ng 1 is equal to 12 ay i-end down natin sa 10 is greater than or equal to 10. Which is, alam natin, etong expression na to would be true, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, dito na tayo magpo-focus sa kanilang values. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, false, logical end mo sa true, automatic, that would be false. So, kapag nilan natin yan, i-double check lang natin kung tama tayo, automatic, kung makikita nyo, false ang sagot. Okay? Now, next naman would be yung ating logical OR. So, palitan ko lang yung value nito or yung operator nito. Pero same pa rin yung ating given. Ano kaya sa tingin nyo ang ating sagot? True or false ba? Now, let's try to evaluate. Again, guys, etong value na to would be false. Katulad ng kanina kasi walang pinagbago pero yung operator lang. So, ibig sabihin ito, magre-remain true pa din. So, katulad ng concept na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, since logical OR siya, automatic true ang kanyang sineselect. So, ibig sabihin, true ang ating sagot dito. So, kapag niran natin, makikita nyo guys na ang ating sagot talaga dyan would be true. Okay? Now, what if this one naman? Not naman. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, nilagyan ko ng not, itong dalawang expression na to or dalawang conditions na to. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, not false or not true. Nilagay ko, logical OR at saka not. Kinombine ko siya, guys. So, ibig sabihin yung not false ay magiging true. Okay? Tapos, ni-logical OR ko siya sa not true, which is magiging false na. Automatic, dito na tayo magpo-focus na yan, magiging true ang kanyang value. So, kapag plinay ko yan or niran ko, kung makikita nyo, true ang kanyang value. Now, what if end naman yung ginawa ko dito, logical end? Ano kaya sa tingin nyo ang kanyang value? So, guys, kapag ang sagot mo dyan would be false, I'm pretty sure na medyo naiintindihan mo yung lesson at tama ang sagot mo. Okay? So again guys, for our last example, itong ating gagayahin naman. So in here, we have to combine the Boolean and also the two different conditions. So meron tayong Boolean na B true, which is equal to true. Tapos yung B false naman, which is equal to false na value. Tapos meron tayong dalawang conditions na 10 plus 5. Tapos, yung ating next would be yung 15 minus 2 times 0. Okay? So, I want you to grab your own pen and paper or panoorin nyo muna ako mag-code tapos i-evaluate natin sabay-sabayan mamaya. Pero for now, syempre, kung gusto nyo mag-evaluate para maintindihan nyo talaga yung lesson is you may do so. Okay? Tapos, i-check na lang natin yung answers natin later on. So, what I want you to do is to answer the following first. So, in here, we have B true. Then, end B false is equal to B false. Tapos, lagyan lang natin ang parenthesis para hindi rin kayo masyado malito. Next naman would be this one. We have B false naman. Tapos, ito naman would be B true. Tapos, lagyan natin ng not equal to. Okay? So, answeran nyo yan guys para mas ma-gets nyo yung ating lesson. Now, what about this one naman? Kukuhanin ko to, which is equal to 15, and B2 is equal to false. Next item would be this one naman. We have here B2 is equal to 0. Ayan. Tapos, yung ating last na given would be this one. Okay? Wait lang po talaga. So guys, ano kaya yung ating sagot dito? Bago nating i-run, is of course, evaluate muna natin on our own. Bago natin i-run, is evaluate muna natin on our own para mas magets natin lesson. So for our first number, ang ating sagot dyan would be like this one. So, i-solve natin. So, sabi dito, yung B true daw is may value ng true. Tama ba? Tapos, i-end down natin siya dito sa mga nakaparenthesis na value na nagsasabi yung false daw ay equal sa false. Okay? So, kapag sinamarize natin itong buo, that would be true. I-end mo daw siya sa false, which is equal to false na true din. So, ang ating final answer dyan would be true. Okay? Now, for our next example, we have here B false. So, ibig sabihin, ito ay false, tapos i-end natin siya dito sa loob ng parenthesis. Now, mind you, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis would be this one. Ito ay B true, which has the value of true, which is not equal to false daw. So, definitely, kapag sinamarize mo itong nasa loob, that would be equal to true. Okay? Tapos, ito, syempre, kopyahan lang natin. That would be like this one. Tapos, since ang operator natin would be AND or logical AND, that would be equal to false. Now, next item would be this one. Sabi dito, guys, ito daw, buong to ay i-compare mo dito sa buong to. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15, is equal daw sa 15. Tapos, i-end mo daw siya dito sa B true, which is not equal to B false. So, ibig sabihin ng parenthesis na to is true daw is not equal to false. Okay? So, kapag nilagay natin yan dito, 15 is equal to 15, that would be true. Tapos, i-end natin siya dito sa true is not equal to false, which is equal to true. So, again guys, ang ating sagot dyan would be true naman. Now, for our next example guys, which is this one, same lang siya dito. At kung mapapansin nyo, ang ating answer dyan, which is 15 is equal to 15, that would be true, di ba? Okay? Tapos, i-logical end daw natin siya dito sa given na to. Now, mind you guys na kailangan nating isolve to. At kung mapapansin nyo, kailangan din natin i-apply dito yung PEMDAS or yung MDAS lang. So, that would be 2 times 0, which is 0, minus 15, that is equal to 15. Okay? Tapos, yung 15 ba ay equal sa 0? Definitely, that would be false. Automatic, true, logical, and false, that would be false. Okay? Tapos, dito sa ating last example, kayo na bahala mag-isip ng solution dyan para mas maintindihan nyo pa yung lesson. Tapos, irarun natin yung ating program in order to check whether kung tama ba tong ating sagot. Okay? So, again, that would be true, true, false, false. Tapos, dito we have true, true, and then false, false. So, dito sa ating last example, that would be true naman. So, I hope guys na medyo may natutunan tayo pagdating sa ating logical operators na lesson. At pasensya na kung medyo ginugulo ko kayo kasi para mas matuto pa tayo dyan. Okay? So, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!